Alright guys, what's up and how you all doing today? Today is Thursday and welcome to another episode of Locking In Till I'm Profitable. So like I said in my previous video, I took a trade on GBP USD and the trade was still running. Then I had to cut the video because there was no more time. So now I am going to show you guys the trade I am in right now and what yesterday's trade was, the result. Right, here's the trade. It was a loss. Price gave me a little bit of profit and then went straight to my stop loss. Bro, what actually matters to me right now is me following my trading plan, me following my system, because I know in the long run that is what is going to keep me profitable. So without wasting much time, let me show you guys the trade I took on Euro USD. Now this trade is a little bit tricky because on one of my accounts, price actually triggered me here. It didn't get to my what they call is fair value gap, but one of my accounts it triggered me, and the other of my accounts, let me show you guys. Let me not talk much. So this is the account where I'm risking $50 per trade. Price did not trigger me. As you can see here, it got close to my entry, but then it skipped me, and I don't know if it's going to come back. But then I'm not doing nothing to this trade. If it comes back, fine. If it does not, fine. But let me show you guys the trade. The trade I took. Nope, it's this account. Yeah. Let me show you the trade on. Here's the trade on the account I am risking 0.5%. That's risking $25 per trade. Let me go over to the 30 minutes. So here is it. I am risking 26 here, but regardless, I still consider them as the same thing. Literally going from 1:3. You feel me? This zone was a zone I marked out from the 5 minutes. Now I don't usually trade the 5 minutes, but then I am very, very conscious when it comes to zones. Now if you look over here on the 5 minutes, you see that there is an order block. You see this up close candle and then a displacement to the downside. I marked this place as a zone, so I was expecting price to give some kind of reaction there, and price did that today. So if you should look over here, you'll see that price came to this zone, took out this swing high, it's a liquidity, took out this other swing high here, over here around 1. This candle you're seeing right here is around 1, and then gave a displacement, took out this swing, took out this swing low, this swing low, this swing low, this swing low. It took out a bunch of swing lows. So I marked out this one because this is actually a valid shift in market structure, because this was the low that violated all these highs. You feel me? So I marked out my shift in market structure and a fair value gap. This is a wide range fair value gap that price usually comes to retest. So just like my strategy, I am going for 1:3. 1:3. But then I marked out this zone. Let me show you guys. I marked out this zone right here. This red place zone you're seeing right here, I consider that as a danger zone. Yeah, I consider that as a danger zone because price could literally come here, because this is an order block on the daily. Let's go over to the daily time frame. Daily time frame. No, sorry, the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. If you should look closely, this is an order block. This down last closed candle. Let me see if I can delete this and make it a little bit more clearer. Delete. So this down closed candle before this push to the upside, I consider this as an order block. So price could do something crazy there. You feel me? So that's literally my unsafe zone, my danger zone. But then we are seriously pushing to the downside. You can see it from here. So I hope price just neglects this order block. And why exactly did I take this trade? I won't have taken this trade, to be honest, but then price had already retested to this order block. If you should look at yesterday, price came to this zone, came down, tapped this order block, and started moving to the upside. It has already retested it, and it seems price is not actually aligning with this other block, you feel me? So not all other blocks in the market are valid, not all fair value gaps are valid. Some fair value gaps tend to act as an inverse fair value gap. Like, let me show you guys on Euro USD. This is actually BTC USD. I don't actually trade BTC. I do trade it sometimes on my live account, but I don't trade it on my Profirm account. So, but then I didn't take this trade. That's by the way, I didn't take this trade. So let me show you guys what I mean by inverse fair value gap. You saw how price respected this fair value gap. Now, I consider this as an inverse fair value gap. When a particular fair value gap is violated and price comes to retest that fair value gap, it acts as a support moving downward. So there are lots of things to consider in this game. Believe me, there are lots of things to consider. And that's by the way. Definitely I am going to update you guys how this trade played out, and from the looks of things, I don't think price is coming to tap us in, because price is already pushing to the downwards really fast. But regardless, let's just see. Catch you guys on the next, and stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. Yeah. Alright guys, price data came to my entry, and it has already triggered me on that account where I'm risking $50 per trade. Let me show you guys. So this is the account, and wait a minute, about $50. So price has already triggered me, and this is how it is going. Hopefully it's a good one, and definitely I'll update you guys. Definitely. Alright, what's up guys? This is how the trade is playing out. Price literally respected this fair value gap. This is what I love to see. Believe me, this is what I love to see. Anytime I see stocks like this, it makes me feel like I am controlling the market. You feel me? So I am looking at price to take out this low and this low too. Like, if price should break this structure, then I will just allow the trade to play out, because I know definitely we are right. We're actually following the trend. So hopefully this trade is a good one. Let me not be in a haste to say that I have hit this trade, because you're only setting yourself up for a very emotional state. And where's my phone? Let me show you guys what the trade is looking like on my phone. Wait a minute. So this is my phone right here, and let me move to the account. All right, this is the account I am risking $500, and this is what the trade is looking like. Let's go to Euro USD chart. All right, this is what the trade is looking like. Let's go over to the 30 minutes time. Okay, 15 minutes, and hopefully this trade hits our TP. Hopefully. Now let's go over to the other account, and let me show you guys what it's looking like. Alright guys, here is the trade on my MT5. My PC is actually low, but then I am just taking the screen record from my phone, you understand? So price has actually gotten to 1:2. Let me show you guys on my MT5. On this account I am risking $25, and if price gets to 1:2, it is literally $50 profit. So at this peak here, price was actually $50 at the peak here. So I am going to move my stop to break even right now. Let me just leave it at this point. The trade is actually flowing well. And let me go over to my other account where I am risking $50 per trade. Sign in. Sorry, it's not this account. I'm sure I've broken even on this account. Yes. Let me go over to my other accounts. Sign in. Alright. At the peak here, price was also $100 at this peak. Let me show you guys. If you take this, I saw $100. I don't know. All right, this is it. I saw $100. So at the peak it was $100. So what I'm going to do is move my stop to break even. the sound of the police. That's nice. All right, that's just it. I think this trade is going to be a good one. I strongly believe it is going to be a good one. Let's just see how it plays out, and definitely I'll update you guys. Alright guys, we just smashed our take profits. Bro, honestly, I'm not surprised. I am not surprised, because that is just how trading is. Some trades you're going to have it wrong, some trades you're going to definitely smash TP. But then let me take you guys through all the trades I have taken for this month. I have taken 4 trades this month throughout the month of October, from 1st to today, which is 10th. So I have taken 4 trades, 3 were losses, 1 was a win. But then I was able to keep about $4 profits. I think in trading, you just have to like have a stable risk to reward that would definitely make you profitable. Imagine taking 3 losses and recovering those 3 losses from 1 trade. That's nice. That is nice. But our aim is to make profits, not not make profits and then give it back to the market. Our aim is to make profits. Before I end this video, I want to show you guys my Profem account. That is how much I am actually in drawdown. So let me show you guys on my phone very quickly. These are my 2 Profem accounts, this account and this account. This account here is the one I'm risking $50 per trade, while this account is the one I'm risking $25 per trade. So let's go to my dashboard. On the account I am risking $50 per trade, I am down 3%. Let's just call it 3%. Now this 3%, if I could just hit 1 take profit on this account, just 1 win, I am definitely going to recover from this account, because I am risking 1% going for 3%. So with just 1 trade, definitely I am going to be out from drawdown, which I hope my next trade is a win. I'm not gonna lie. So then let me show you guys the second Profem account where I'm risking $25 and I am down 0.69%. This definitely, my next trade, I am going to recover and make about 1% profit. That's about $50. Definitely. So I just hope my next trade is a win. That's just it for today. Today is actually Friday, and I am actually looking at the chart too, but then I have no intentions of forcing any trade, or you understand, I am just going to wait, because this week was a profitable week for me. It was a profitable week for me, because this week I took 2 trades, 1 was a win and 1 was a loss. Yeah, that's just it. So definitely, if I take a trade or not, I am still going to come here and document every single thing, how the journey is going and all of that. So if this is something you're actually watching and you're finding it interesting, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next. Peace out.